Good morning, dear children. I am preparing this video as many of the children have requested me. They are not able to understand how to find square root by long division method. So here I am taking a little big number so that you can understand the process. I am taking one 8-digit number. Say 170732424. I have taken this number to find square root by long division method. You have to find the square root. How much is the square root of this particular number? Now this is a big number. We don't know whether this is a perfect square or not. So the most convenient method is to do this sum by long division method. So our step 1, as you all know, I have already explained in my previous videos that before solving for square root by long division method, we must pair the numbers. Since this is an 8-digit number, there are 8 digits, you can start pairing from the units place. And this is the rule. For whole numbers, we have to pair from the units place. So our pairing will be 2 4, then 3 4, then 0 7, then 1 7. So our number will be written with spaces like 1 7, 0 7, 3 4 and 2 4. Now we start the process of dividing. Unlike our old division, we don't have a divisor here. We have to invent our own divisor. Now how will you find out the divisor? See this. First period, that is 17. Now you have to start the tables, square tables. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. The suitable number here is 4 4s are 16. So after subtracting 17 from 16, you will get 0 1. You will write 4 in the divisor's place, 4 in the quotient's place, and then 16 below 17. And after subtracting, you are getting 1. But one thing more, every time you read the table, you have to double the divisor. That is 4 plus 4, 8. And now keep one place vacant to the right of 8. Here one place is vacant. Now again, bring down this 0 7, the next period. Now what number you are having here? 107. You have to find out which number suits the best with 8 in the left side so that you can proceed for the division. Now see, 81 ones are 81 and then 82 twos are, what will be 82 twos are? 164. So 164 is not suitable. So 81 ones are 81. So it will be 107 minus 81, you are getting 7 minus 1, 6 and 10 minus 8, 2. Again you have to add 1 here. So what will you get here in the divisor's place? You will get 82 and one place will be vacant to its right side. And now bring down this 34. What do you have in the dividends place now? You have 2634. Now again you have to find what number comes with 82 so that you can find a suitable number which will be subtracting from 2634. What will you do? You will start the tables. 821 into 1 which will be equal to 821. 822 into 2 which will be equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. And then 823 into 3 which will be equal to 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 and 3 8s are 24. Again if we go further, we will get 824 into 4, but it will not be suitable because 4 8s are 32 will be getting. So 823 3s are, we are getting 2469. Now subtract this, write 3 here. 14 minus 9 is 5. So here you are having 12 minus 6 is 6. And again 5 minus 4 is 1. And bring down this 24, the last period. What are you getting here? 826. 6 and again one place is vacant here. You have to invent a digit here which will be suitable for us. Now again start the tables. 8261 ones are 8261 into 1 will give you 8261, and 8262 into 2 will give you 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 1, 2 are 4 and 1 5, and 8 2 are 16. You are getting 16524. So the best suitable number here is 8262 into 2 gives you 16524. So after subtracting 16,524 from 16,524, your remainder is 0. And here in the divisor's place again you will add 2. What are you getting here? 8,264. And your quotient is 4,132. So the check is double of the quotient. Double of the quotient will be equal to the last divisor. So here we have done the sum correctly. What is the square root of this number? This is 4132.